ladies, if a Jamaican man admit this to you, yeah, just know say, yeah. Yeah, if him admit this, for him say, me can't stop look on you. Just know say, yeah, mash up him focus. Every time he look on you, he made that all over the place. Thoughts are run up and down. Yeah, man, me can't stop look on you. And if you love Jamaican vibes, make sure you follow us. I like you with the vibes. Don't left it out. Ends out. And I'm out. And if you watch it this far and there is anything that you want to know when a Jamaican man say, yeah, just leave it in the comment. Leave it in the comment and I will get back to you. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Cause you don't know over there. Real Jamaican. No artificial flavor. No added ingredients. You get what I'm saying? Natural.